Hey, hi Windows developers, I'm Shahan back again with another video. In this video I will be explaining you how to add server notifications for your application and send the server notification from Dev Center. So for this you have to have a developer account in Microsoft, and then you need to create a C# or WinjS Windows Universal Windows application, and this will be useful only for Universal Windows application developers. So I have created a WinJS application, and I'm good at JavaScript. You can also create a C# application. So once you have created a Universal Windows application, then you have to go ahead and create a new app in your Dev Center. So in your Dev Center, create an app and then go open that app. So here in services area you can see there is a push notifications. So click on the push notifications. So this is area where you can create a notification and then you can send notifications to a targeted users or to all users. So before doing that, we need to add a code which should be going into your Visual Studio so that users can receive these notifications. So first you have to go ahead and download this Microsoft Store Services SDK. I'm giving reference so that you can download. So once you have downloaded, then go ahead to your Visual Studio, and this is my fitness activity tracker project which I have created, and it's a WinJS application and it's a Universal Windows application, of course. And here in references, once it is installed, then you have to go to references and add reference. Then you need to check this Microsoft Engagement Framework. This Microsoft Engagement Framework will be shown to you only if your installation of that Microsoft Store Services SDK is successful. So check this and click on OK. Now you are having the capability of writing code for that Microsoft Store Services. Now go ahead, here in this link you can find what code needs to be added for this. So I'm going to show you. So code is here, and this code only works for C#, but my application is WinJS, but still I can use same parts of the code. I'm going to my WinJS, and this is my main.js. Here app.onactivated, so this happens when app is going to be activated. So here I'm going to write my code. I'm going to this, and then I need to register. Okay, so let me go ahead and add this code. So I'm changing the code for JavaScript because the C# code won't be working in this WinJS application. So to work in WinJS, I'm just modifying my code. So I have just taken a variable which gives a reference to Microsoft Services Store Engagement, and then here I'm going to call that. So how to call that? Event manager. So this is the way, and it's a simple 1-line or 2-line codes which you can write down, and in fact you need to add this because it doesn't know where this store services is. So notifications dot store services engagement manager get default register notification channel async. So what we are trying to do here is we are adding a reference to Microsoft Store Services, and which is called Microsoft Engagement Framework. Once you add this, you have to go ahead and create a channel between your dev center and your application. So this line of code, a single line of code, creates a channel between your dev center and your application. So once this channel is created, then dev center notifications will be able to talk to your applications wherever it is installed. So let me go ahead and just click on running this application so that it can register a channel to the developer center. So it broke. Let me see what is the issue. Notification. So it is not small g, I guess it's a typo error. Let me rerun it. Get default. So this is register channel async. So it's basically just a typo error. You can see earlier I had capital G and capital R, but it is actually small g and capital R. So let me go ahead and rerun this again. Yeah, I'm able to open my application, and now a channel has been created between my dev center account and my application. So now go ahead to your dev center. So this is push notifications. Go ahead and create a new notification, and he has given Microsoft has given a very good template for this. You can create your own template, or you can create anything whichever you want, or you can ask for feedback, you can ask for ratings, and you can prompt something, or you can take them to sales and you can offer them some sales as well in app purchases. So I'm going to create an template for asking to rate. My application is not yet in the store, but still I'm going to show you how it works. So ask for ratings, click OK. So I'm keeping everything as default. If you wish, you can change it. If you don't wish, you can just go ahead and keep it as it is. So I'm not changing anything. If you want to change the content, you can change it. I'm not changing anything. So now my application has created a channel. When I click send, and be careful here, you have the customer groups. I don't have any separate customer segment group created. You can create customer groups as well. So here create a new customer group. So you can create a customer groups here, saying which application you need, and segment name, acquisitions, whether they have completed more than 30 days, or they are having paid customers or free customers. There are many settings available right here at customer groups. Once you create customer groups, you can go ahead to notification and click on the customer groups, and you can select the premium users or free users or any kind of users once you have set up the customer group. So I am selecting all users. Right now my application is not in the store, so I am selecting all users. This is just for testing purpose. I'm keeping everything same, and I'm just clicking on send. So once I click on send, as my application is installed locally, I should get a pop-up notification in the right side corner. And also to remind you, notifications should be on by customer. Only if notification devs and Windows notifications are on by customer, then only these notifications will be shown up. So those notifications should be on customer PC side from the system settings. So I'm just clicking on send. So it is asking confirmation. I'm clicking on send. OK. So I should be getting a pop-up right now. Let me see if I get a pop-up or not. So this has been scheduled, and I should be receiving notification anytime. Yeah, you see the notification here. Do you like the app? Please review it in the store. So if you see the notifications, so this is my fitness activity tracker, and here I can see, do you like the app? If I click on it, it will go to Windows Store and it will go to the link where I can rate. But right now, as it is not in my Windows Store yet, so what happens is it goes to the home of Windows Store. But once it is installed, I mean it is in Windows Store, it will go to the specific app and it will ask to rate. So this is how the notification, server side notifications. And please, Microsoft encourages not to create spam. Think once, if a user has 50 to 100 applications installed and everyone starts sending the server notifications, users will be fed up. So whenever it is the right time to remind users about some offers and ask for ratings for any kind of other support, you can use this server side notifications with a very minimal code. Again, let me review what I have said. So you have to have a developer account, you have to create a universal Windows platform, you have to download this Microsoft Store Services SDK, and you can copy the code from C# code from this link. And for JavaScript, you just need to copy a minimal lines. So let me say a single line is required. So basically you just need to add this line. So this line will create a registered channel from your Dev Center account to your app. And I forgot to say another main thing is that you need to associate. So store associate app with the store. So here once you click, you should associate this for sure. So I have associated my app with the Windows Store Fitness Activity Tracker app. This is my Fitness Activity Tracker app. So you must associate your app with Windows Store app so that it can recognize and send the notification. If you don't do this step, then it won't be sending any notification. So this, let me add this before doing it. Associate app with Dev Store associations. Let me copy paste what it is. Associate app with the store. So once you associate, then write the code. Code is this for WinjS. Just a single line code, and this should be written on activate. So this will create a registered channel. Once you have created a registered channel, once you run it, then a channel is being created and you can create a notifications. From Dev Center. So once you create, you can schedule it or you can send it immediately. So if you can, even if the application is closed, not using by customer, but still customer gets a notification, do not spam the customers. So the notification, if you have any questions or if it is not working for you, just send me comments below. I will try to answer at my best available time. Thank you. And you can see how to add ads in my other video. Do check out my videos. Thank you.